Hiya everyone, I hope you're keeping well. I'm just doing a quick video today. I'm not doing a makeup look. I've got nothing on, just me tan, and a little bit of mascara, and I've got my brows on, me pears and me spoolie. I've got a little bit of Romantic Bay lip balm. Really love this thing. It's got a little bit of colour to it, not a lot, but it's just something so I don't feel overdone. I had a bit of a headache today, so I haven't done any makeup and I haven't done much with my face. Just hair up, nice and natural, comfy jumper on. It's that time you just want to get comfy. But I did get a couple of things in my PO box, and I've always promised I'll come in and share them with you because I get chuffed. So I hope you don't mind, and I hope you're looking forward to seeing what I've got. I got 2 parcels today. And there's a few more things on the way and all, and it's really exciting. There's Doll 10 Beauty got in touch with us today through a friend. James put them on to us, so thank you very much, James, you're a star. And the same with Beauty Boulevard. So there's 2 PR packages coming. I'll do an unboxing and let you all see. I hope you are just as excited as I am. I'm super excited. And there's a few more of like people sending us things as well, so there's lots to come, and I'm just so grateful. You've no idea. Yeah, so we'll get on with these. So there's 2 parcels. This one's a little one, and this one is from Funky Mama's Boutique IQ. Now I don't know what's inside them. I don't even know who sent them. I just got them today, and we'll see what's in. So all right, oh, okay, lovely. So we've got a little, hang on, a little chain. What's in here? Isn't that cute? So this is the Funky Mama's Boutique. Yeah, Funky Mama's Boutique. Yeah. So let's have a little look at this. This looks beautiful. So I think things like this are so special because I can wear them. Guess what it is? It's a little roller boot. Oh, that is so special. It's a little roller boot. I don't know if this was intended, but if it was, it's proper special. The video I did, that took us back to my childhood, and it was a roller boot look, and this is just beautiful. Oh, I don't know who you are, but this is so special. Thank you so much. Really, please let us know who you are so I can give you a massive thank you. This is really super duper special. There's so much thought gone into that. I absolutely love it. Thank you. Really love it. I'm going to keep that safe. Actually, I'm going to put it on. This is special. This is just a little video, this one. Oh, I'm still doing me live on Sunday, and because the last one got deleted, YouTube were lovely, by the way. I emailed YouTube because I deleted it by accident, and because it didn't have a video link for it and it wasn't like a video upload, I was worried in case it couldn't be found, but they got on top of it and they said they will be able to find it for you. We just need to have a couple of details. But by then I'd already filmed it again, so it didn't matter. So they were lovely. YouTube have been fantastic with me lately. The amount of contact they've given us. If I need any help, I can reach out to them. I feel so like I don't feel alone at all with my YouTube channel at the minute. I feel like there's so much help out there if I just ask, and it is really overwhelming and lovely. They've been absolutely fantastic, and they've you know, every single day, is there anything I need? Just brilliant. Really cannot fault them. Can't fault the team there. Bless them working. So they offered to put it back up, I think, if I'd given them a couple of some details, but it turns out I'd already filmed the look again. But this Sunday, 7 PM BST, which is British Summer Time. I don't know what time that will be in the US because it's different time zones. So just Google it and check it out. But I'll be doing another lucky dip live for you, and I really hope you can join. I hope you can come along, and I hope you enjoy it. So I'll be doing that on Sunday, and I'm looking forward to that. Now the next one here I've got is, we've got the THG, the Hut Group. I've no idea what it is, what it's about, with a little box, and it's fragile. So I'm going to have a little peek in here. I'm really, really, really excited. Everything else I get, I'll show you as well. Unless I've bought it, and then that's a bit boring. But if it's been sent, it's like super exciting, isn't it? Oh, hang on. Oh, what's this? Let's have a look. Oh, wow. Hang on, make sure I've got everything. Yeah, right, okay, I'll put that down there. So I've been sent a couple of products. Look at these. Oh, wow. Right. Wow, okay, look, we've got NYX, and this is Purple Velvet. I love these shadow sticks. Jumbo eye pencil, absolutely love. Who sent this? Is it from the company or is it someone else? Because that is really personal. Someone's been watching my videos and knew that I needed some bits and pieces. This is really super cute, and I'm not kidding you. I feel like crying, actually. I really do feel like crying, because someone's watching me videos and that, like, getting us things that they knew that I needed or that I wanted. This is lovely. So this is NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. I've got a couple of the other ones. I lost Milk, but these are lovely. So this one's Purple Velvet. I'll play with that one. And then we've got Maybelline Colour Show Black. I think it is black because it's black lid. It will be, yeah. Number 100. So we've got another Lush eyeliner. Can't have enough eyeliners. You really can it. And then this one here, this is brilliant. A little MAC lipstick. I haven't had a brand new MAC lipstick for ages. This is so cute. This is really cute. Oh, because I had to put a lot of mine in the bin because they were a bit smelly. So this one is 104 Cosmo. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a tea colour lipstick. Oh, this is so brilliant. This is so brilliant. Isn't that so cool? Oh, wow. It's a full-size, brand new lipstick. And it doesn't smell like smelly crayons. It smells like vanilla. It's brand new and it's perfect. Oh, I'm going to have to try it on. I'll quickly take this off. I've got to try this on. The colour is beautiful. Get that off. Right. Let's have a try of this. Beautiful. This has got to be someone that knows me. It's got to be. Please leave us a comment. That's super cute. Oh, I love that colour. Oh, I'm so chuffed. This is lovely. This is lovely. I've got my little chain on. Oh, hey, you guys, thank you. Thank you so much. Please come forward and let me know. Let us know who sent this, because you deserve a massive thank you. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. I'm chuffed to bits. You've made me day. I'm going to keep the video just simple, but I just wanted to say thank you. I hope you've enjoyed the unboxing. There's loads more to come by the sounds of it. And PR companies are sending stuff as well, which is really, really lovely. It really, really is. Yeah, right. And also, don't forget the live lucky dip look. So if it comes out them drawers, it's not going back in them. It's going on the face. 7 PM BST Sunday. Hope you can join, and I hope you enjoy it. Right, I'll see you on a bit. Zoom, zoom.